In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy profile link on Facebook. So let's go ahead and start by opening a browser on the computer. And once that's up, I'm going straight to facebook.com. I'm just waiting a second for the page to load. And once Facebook opens, I'm looking toward the top left area where my name appears. That's the shortcut to my profile page. So I'm clicking on my name now to open that up. Once that loads, I'm now on my profile, and this is exactly where I need to be because the profile link is sitting right in the address bar at the top of the browser. At this point, I'm moving my mouse up to the top of the screen and clicking directly inside the address bar. As soon as I do that, the URL becomes active and now I can highlight it. If yours doesn't highlight all at once right away, that's totally fine. Just make sure the full link is selected from beginning to end. You want the complete profile URL, not just part of it. Now that the full link is highlighted, I'm copying it using Ctrl and C on the keyboard. You can also use the copy button in the browser if that's what you prefer. Either one works, and once you do that, the profile link is copied. That means it's now sitting on your clipboard and ready to paste anywhere you want. So if you need to send it in a message, drop it into a document or save it somewhere for later, you're good to go. As I'm doing it here, you can see this is really quick. I opened the browser, went to facebook.com, clicked my name at the top left to open my profile page, then went up to the address bar and selected the URL. After that, I copied it with Control and C, and that's it. There's nothing extra you need to open, and no extra menu you need to search through. The main thing is just making sure you're actually on your profile page before copying the link, because that's what gives you the correct profile URL. So I'll just do that flow once more naturally. I'm on Facebook, I click my name to open my profile, I go to the address bar at the top, highlight the full link and copy it. Once that's done, the profile link is ready to paste anywhere I need it. It's one of the easiest things to do once you know where to look, and the address bar is really all you need for this. And that's how to copy profile link on Facebook.